Welcome back. Now let's check in with Chef Feenie.
Hey there, Marc and Mandy. I'm joined by the very successful Chef Feenie, the executive chef at the Cactus Club Cafe, and you can also catch him on Food Network Canada's Iron Chef Canada. So you've worked in some Michelin-starred restaurants, you've owned your own restaurants, and you've worked with some great chefs. What is your favorite memory from the culinary industry?
There's so many. I mean, you know, it's really hard to pinpoint one, but I would have to say right now, when I was on Iron Chef America in 2005, that was something that when I did it at the time, I didn't realize the impact because we filmed it, you know, ahead in advance. And I beat one of the best chefs in the world, so which I didn't think I would. It was just an amazing experience. It was very nerve-wracking. I was very young at the time. It was amazing.
Aw, that's great. So can you also tell me, what advice do you have to our viewers out there that might be starting out in the food industry?
You know, one of the things I think that's great now, and I can go to our company Cactus, is that there's a lot of great opportunities for, you know, that weren't always there when I started cooking. I started cooking in the mid-'80s. And I think the opportunities for growth and to be a part of something special are definitely there. So you definitely have to love it. You definitely have to enjoy it, but it's also getting around the right environment. And I think that's something we try to do. And so like I said, I think it wasn't really looked upon as an occupation years ago, but I think there's several opportunities for people to take it up.
So you mentioned back when you won Iron Chef, that's when you competed and you defeated Chef Muramito, am I correct?
Yeah.
So it was back in 2005?
Yes.
Wow, that's quite the journey you've had.
Yes, it was.
So if you could compete against any other chef now, who would it be?
In Canada, it would be David Hawkesworth.
Oh wow, that was a quick answer.
Yeah, without hesitation.
Why would that be?
We're both the same age. We both started cooking at the same time. I think he's an incredibly talented chef, and I think it would be a great battle.
So maybe that's something we should set up now, is to have you two battle it out.
I'm ready.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.